Hi, to change keyboard language on this Vivo X100 Pro, we would need to trigger a keyboard first. And for that, let's open Messages app. I'm gonna select My Chat with Mehdi. And here, to add new language, except for the English, we'll need to tap the settings icon on the top of the keyboards panel. And now simply go in the languages, select this Add Keyboard, and select any other language from the list. Let's choose Czech, and here we can also just change the style and enable this multilingual typing. Now let's select Done and save the changes by simply going back. And now to change keyboard language, we will need to simply tap on this globe icon and we just change the language. Tap again, and yeah, it's changing. Here you can check it in the section. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.